we are going to be making a cat, and it's gonna look like this one. So let's begin. And we're gonna need a piece of paper and something to draw with. The first step is drawing the cat's head. So, when we draw the cat's head, it's going to look just like that. And the next step will be drawing the cat's ears. And we're going to draw little ears over there. So there's little ears over there. Then we're going to attach them like this. And the next step is we're going to draw little triangles under the cat's ears. And after that, we are going to draw a big line out for the cat's body. After that, we're going to draw the cat's tail by making this shape first. And after we do that, we're going to curve in, and there's going to be the tail. And after that, we're going to make the cat's little hands over there. So we complete the cat's body, but now we're going to do its face. And we're going to connect this. And after that, we're going to draw little eyes. And they don't have to be perfect. Mine are just like that. And we're going to draw the little eyes in the middle. After that, you're going to draw a bit of darkness under it. So it's going to look like that so far. After that, we're going to make a little nose. And we're going to draw the whiskers. 3 whiskers on each side. Like that. After, we're going to draw a small smile on the cat. So it's going to look like this. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Bye!